So our response time for an emergency cleaning service kind of depends on when the call comes in. We are a Monday through Friday, kind of a 8 to 4 service. If you call during normal business hours, we try to get out there the same day, but it just depends on what the call is. You know, some people call with an emergency service, but the reality is if it's in an area where the door can be closed or no one's really entering that area, it's not really considered an emergency. An emergency for us would be common areas of an apartment complex or a condo. If it's a commercial building where the people can access it, that you don't need them in there. So those are what we consider emergency services. And I understand that everybody has an idea of what an emergency is. But as far as how we define it, it's if it's going to cause an issue for a third party entering an area. If it's on the weekends or after hours, we will either set up an appointment the next available time, if it's kind of outside that emergency scope I just described, or we'll dispatch a crew within 2 hours with the goal of being there between 2 and 4 hours on an after-hours service.